What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another day in the life of, just kidding. But welcome back to the channel. We had an amazing day today. So you can say the market didn't really go the way that we wanted it to, but we still had a decent setup, as you can see here on the screen. But first, let's get into what I was looking for. So in order to do that, we need to go back down to the 1 minute and look at what happened overnight. So a lot happened overnight. We had our Sunday session, our Shmonday session, so I call it. Um, we were pretty bullish off of that. We waited for price to actually close this gap that happened here at the open. After that, I told everybody I was looking for longs. We in fact did get that. This right here, this blue box is a chop box that we just extend over. If you know anything about any of my previous videos, or if you're in the inner circle, chop box is something that we do quite often, and I was just showing everybody how you can extend that chop box and use it as support or resistance. Right here, it was acting as support. It actually came back to test it 2 times before completely taking off to the upside overnight for London. So I initially thought that we were going to be bullish because overnight, London was extremely bullish. It took out Asia highs, and we had a lot of good news from Trump over the weekend with the strategic reserve. But again, there were some tariff talks, and I think some go into effect tomorrow, whatever the case may be. So the market had other plans. Not really that big of a deal. We're not really married to the bias, although today I was temporarily married to the bias. What I mean by that is we did, in fact, have a daily strat setup. I was telling everybody beforehand that if we were to get one, I was not going to take it because that's just how confident in a long position I wanted to be. But we didn't get that. So we did, in fact, get bear set up. It was a great one. So we have, let's see if I can mark this out. All right, so boom. This right here is structure, bearish structure. We had a close below this previous swing, and this happened after 9:30. So at that point, we wait for a gap. The gap happened up here. This candle right here came back to tap into the gap. Stop loss here, uh, full target here, and so yeah, all of that happened, and that would have been um, winner for about 2,600 or so. This actually ended up going more than 5 to 1 for about 4,200. So womp womp, didn't actually get it. But what we did get was the 15-minute strat. I, in fact, didn't take it. I am still in the process of testing this. So as you can see here, I am signed. I am not on my Express account. I am on Sim. So everybody knows I'm still forward testing it. So I'm not taking a real trade. But I did, in fact, take a real Sim trade. I treat my Sim trades like a real trade. So yeah, as you all should. But we got, in fact, the setup for sales off the 15-minute banger. This coincided along with the actual daily strat setup, and it did extremely well. Yeah, hit TP1 while we were still on the live call this morning. And I think now it is, let me add some more levels. I think it's actually going past. That's TP2. So I think it's going close to TP4 now. Let's see. 300, 400. So it's approaching TP3 literally right now for $8,970. Uh, uh, it's all good. But this strat is amazing. I am in the process of finishing it up. Maybe within, I don't know, a month or so, I will be done with it. And at that point, maybe I will tell everybody else about it, or maybe I'll just keep it all to myself. I don't know. You have to stay tuned and see. But yeah, that's all I have. Like the video, please like, share, subscribe if you want to trade with us. There will be a link in the description, and catch you in the next one.